There comes a time in life when our bodies start sending us quiet yet urgent messages. Tingling hands, numb fingers, weak legs, creaky joints, and a subtle but constant feeling of fatigue. These may not feel like emergencies at first, but they are warning signs that your body's foundation is weakening. Beneath these symptoms lies a deeper cause, a steady decline in collagen. Collagen isn't just about youthful skin or fewer wrinkles, it's the glue that keeps our bones, joints, muscles, tendons, ligaments, and even blood vessels strong and flexible. Without enough of it, your muscles lose their resilience, your joints become stiffer, your grip weakens, and your mobility slowly fades away. After the age of 60, collagen production can plummet by more than half. This isn't just about getting older, it's about losing the very substance that holds you together. When collagen levels fall, the nerve endings in your hands and feet become more vulnerable to damage, leading to tingling and numbness. Your muscles lose their elasticity, so every step feels heavier. Even your spine and knees begin to feel the strain, turning simple movements into difficult tasks. The good news? Nature has already provided a solution. And it's not in a pill bottle or a processed supplement. Certain fruits are naturally rich in the building blocks your body needs to make more collagen. They're packed with amino acids, vitamin C, copper, zinc, and antioxidants, all crucial for stimulating your cells to produce fresh collagen and repair damaged tissues. These fruits don't just cover up symptoms, they help reverse the underlying cause, restoring strength to your legs, stability to your joints, and sensation to your hands. Imagine gripping a cup without numbness, walking with a firm and steady stride, climbing stairs without knee pain, and waking up with renewed energy. This isn't wishful thinking. It's what happens when you feed your body what it's been missing. Today, we'll explore 8 powerful collagen-rich fruits that can help you say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs, not just for a week or a month, but for years to come. The journey to reclaiming your strength and vitality starts with what you put on your plate. The citrus powerhouse for collagen renewal. The first fruit on our list is one you've likely enjoyed countless times, but perhaps never realized how vital it is for your collagen production. Oranges. This humble citrus fruit is a true powerhouse when it comes to revitalizing your body from the inside out. Oranges are loaded with vitamin C, the single most important nutrient for collagen synthesis. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply cannot form new collagen fibers. It's like trying to build a house without bricks. The structure just won't hold. Vitamin C doesn't just help make collagen, it protects the collagen you already have. Every day, your joints, muscles, and connective tissues are under attack from oxidative stress, tiny molecules that break down proteins, weaken cells, and accelerate aging. Oranges, with their rich antioxidant profile, act like a shield, preventing this damage and keeping your tissues strong. This is crucial for seniors, as every bit of collagen saved means better mobility, less joint stiffness, and a lower risk of falls or injuries. But the benefits go further. Oranges also contain bioflavonoids, plant compounds that improve blood circulation. Strong circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles and nerves, which helps reduce tingling sensations in your hands and feet. The better your blood flows, the more easily your body can repair damaged nerve endings, keeping your grip strong and your steps steady. Including oranges in your daily routine can be as simple as enjoying a fresh fruit in the morning or adding slices to your salads. The combination of vitamin C and antioxidants works like a repair crew, going to the deepest layers of your body to restore what time has taken away. And remember, collagen renewal is not instant, it's a daily investment. Every bite of an orange is a step towards stronger legs, more flexible joints, and a life free from the discomfort of tingling hands. If oranges are the foundation, the next fruit we'll talk about is the reinforcement material, packed with not just vitamin C, but also a rare amino acid essential for collagen